So we're going to cook, we're going to cook lasagna. So I have to make the sauce first. So heat the pan, and then when it's a bit hot, put a few oil, just a few. And you put the onions. This is my version of lasagna. Okay, everyone might have their own version of it. So this is my version. Then you put the onions. Let the onion cook until it's translucent. Add some oil if necessary. Make sure the fire is not too high, just on the medium. And then, if it's already translucent, the onion, you can add the garlic. You don't want to burn the garlic. I think I need to add a bit more oil. And then you can now put the minced beef. So you let the minced beef cook first. And it takes some time before it cooks. Probably I'll stop this now and just record it. We'll forward it later. Bye. Hi, I'm back again. So I just put the tomatoes inside. The beef is ready cooked. I put chopped tomatoes. Hello. Just making lasagna for today. I'm just doing the minced beef. I'm trying to cook the chopped tomatoes. I just placed some chopped tomatoes, so we'll let it cook a bit, the tomatoes. Let it simmer until the tomatoes are a bit cooked. Okay, make another video once I'm ready to put it in the dish tray. Okay. Hi. Back again. Now we're going to season the sauce. I'll put some basil. Wait, I don't have a fresh basil, so I'm just putting some. Where's the basil? I know I've got there. I'm going to put some basil. I lowered down the heat already, so we're just simmering the sauce. So I'm putting now the basil. It depends how much you want. It just adds flavor to it, the basil. And then you can season with some salt. Using some salt. Just a little salt. Oh, open. So you season with some salt. And then you can also season with some pepper. Ground pepper. I like it peppery, so I put a lot of pepper. Oh, sorry. Okay, and then I'll just let it simmer, and then we'll put it in the tray. Oh, of course, you have to taste it if the flavor is really nice before you put it on a tray. Yep, I think it's alright. I think it's a little blunt. I think I need to put some more of the salt. Kulang siya sa alat, sa ano. I mean, yeah, medyo matabang. Dagdagan natin salt because normally I don't put salt really now. But we have to put some salt in it. Maingay yung background. Okay. I'll taste it. Taste it again. That's right. It's just right. I want more pepper. I really like ground pepper. Okay. Okay, then I'll come back. I'll just let it a bit cool. I'll let it stay cold a bit. Not too cold, but just because it's too hot. Then I'll lay it down on the tray. I'll make a video again. Bye. I'm back. Now I'm going to put it on a tray now, the lasagna, while I'm preheating the oven at around 200 degrees, not Fahrenheit, okay, 200 degrees. I'm just preheating the oven. So I'll start to put now the minced beef, the sauce of the lasagna, in the tray. I think this is too big. Well, I'll just try to fit it in. I think my tray is too big for a half kilo of minced beef. Anyway, so you try to spread them all over the tray for the first layer. Hopefully it fits. Oh dear, I think my sauce is not too... I think I'm going to need more sauce. I'll try to spread it. I'll get a spatula. So I'll get a spatula and I'll try to spread it. Try to spread it. I don't have too much sauce, so I'm just trying to spread it. My tray is quite big. I should have made... I don't have a small tray, that's why I use this. Okay. Just try to spread it. Okay, I think that's fine. Okay. And then you lay down the sheets on top. These are the sheets. You can buy it anywhere. The sheets. There. And then you have to make sure that everything is covered. So you just cut the pieces. There. And then you pour it again. The remaining sauce. It's just 2 layers. I just wanted it. I just want to make sure that it would fit in the tray. So I'll make the try to even it out. Still have some sauce though. It's just I want to make sure it's even. I'll show you how it looks like when I'm evening it. Oops. Can you see that? So I'm going to put the rest of the sauce now. Use the spatula, it's easier. Okay. Then I'll even it out again. If you want it to be creamier or cheesy, you could add some cheese. So I normally put the cheese on top, but this one I'll try to put some in the middle before I put the last pasta sheet. So I'll try to do that now. I'll get the cheese. I'll get the cheese. Put out the cheese. I put some mozzarella cheese, grated mozzarella cheese on top. No, not on top. In between the pasta sheets and the minced beef, the sauce that I made, just to make it cheesier. It's nicer when it's cheesy. Your lasagna. Okay, and then I'll put the final sheet now. Lay down the sheets again. Oh, that's wrong. That's not good. Do that. It should be a bit. Right. Just enough to cover the rest on top. Show you what I meant. Just enough to cover it, yeah? And then I just put the white sauce, which I just buy. So you can make your own white sauce, but I just buy a white sauce to go on top. So you pour the white sauce to cover everything. The more white sauce you have, the more creamier it is. So put the white lasagna sauce on top. pot too. Because it's nicer if you've got loads. My oven is now hot actually, so I could actually put this anytime, but it's alright. I'll just finish preparing it first, and then and then we'll put it in the oven. Oops. Cool, that's done. And then you can see that, yeah? Then I'll put cheese on top. I'll put some mozzarella cheese on top. It's noisy. I'm getting hungry now. I haven't had lunch. I had breakfast though. Yeah. Sorry kung nabobore na yung nanonood. Matatapos na. I'm about to put it inside the oven soon. This is so easy to make. It's not hard. So it's just like when you do your lasagna sauce, it's just like making a spaghetti sauce, but you just put some herbs. And you can put fresh herbs, because I just used the ones in the bottle, the basil and things like that. Yeah. There. Done. Okay. And then we're going to put it, since the oven is already hot, I can now put it in the oven. I'll put it in a tray. There. See? I've got a tray. And I'm putting it in the oven now. I think it's okay now to put it. I think it's hot enough. Put it in the middle tray. There, that's done. I'll show you later how it looks like when it gets cooked. I'll just take a shower. Bye-bye. Hi there. The lasagna is now cooking in the oven. And that's it. I'll be back later when it's done. Hi, I'm back. As promised, here is the cooked lasagna. Some portions are a bit, you can see it. I think it's the cheese. The cheese kind of burnt a bit. Yeah, but it's cooked now. How do you know if it's cooked? You try to do this. And if you cannot feel anymore the pasta being hard, then that's cooked. If it just goes through quickly without, Yep. That's it. My lasagna.